Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Andrew with A.L. Johnson Life Insurance Agency. Just wanted to make a really quick video to educate you guys on why you should work with a broker and why it's to your advantage to work with an insurance agent that has access to more than one life insurance company. So, I've been in the business for 12 years. I actually started off working with the company um, that I worked for about 3.5 years. That's kind of where I learned the business. And during that time, I was kind of educated on the fact that I wasn't able to help my clients the best way that I could. I was just unaware of it. And so the reason that you want to work with a broker, someone that has access to more than one company, I call it the 3 Ps. You have pre-existing conditions, price, and policy type. And so I'll just go through each of those really quickly and break those down. It's probably be about a 5 to 10 minute video, but it'll be a lot of useful information. So definitely take notes. But every company doesn't accept the same pre-existing conditions. So one thing that I found out when I was working for one company, I actually had a client. He had a heart attack about 2 years prior to us meeting. And when it came down to me trying to help him get coverage, I had no options for him because the company that I worked for, they had a 5 year look back. And so maybe about a week or two later, after me not being able to help him, he calls me and he let me know that he found another agent that was able to find him same day coverage, no waiting periods. It was a really good policy. But to my knowledge, that didn't exist because I only had information based off of one life insurance company. And so, I lost the business and it made me start doing a little bit of research. And I found that all of the companies do not have the exact same underwriting requirements. So, where one company may deny you for, say, being a diabetic, there's another company that will offer you that coverage, but you have to be working with an agent that has access to it. So, that's the first P, pre existing conditions. The second one is the price. And so, I did find that in researching other life insurance companies, the pricing isn't the same all across the board. The company that I had that I was working with tend to be 10 to 20% higher than some of the other companies that are out there. And so if you have a life insurance policy now and you work with a insurance agent that only represents one company, it may be in your best interest to shop that coverage around, because there is a good possibility that you'll be able to save yourself and your family a considerable amount of money each month. And if not save money, you could possibly increase your coverage considerably and leave more behind for the family, which is really important. And so we covered the first 2 Ps. We've got pre-existing conditions. Every company doesn't accept every condition. We have price because all companies are not priced the same. And then the last one is policy type. And so some companies only sell term life insurance. Some companies only sell whole life insurance. You have to buy life insurance depending on your situation and your needs. If it's a temporary need, term life insurance makes sense. If it's a permanent need, whole life insurance makes sense. But working with an agent who only has access to one company and one policy type dramatically limits your opportunities to best protect your family. And so, just really quickly, ask yourself, is your insurance agent trapped in a cage? Do they work with one company? Do they have access to companies that can handle all of the pre-existing conditions that may exist in your family? Is the price competitive? And do you have the correct policy type, or are they able to offer that? Those are the 3 Ps, the 3 questions that you want to ask when it comes to knowing if your life insurance agent is really able to help you in the best way. And so my name is Andrew Johnson with A.L. Johnson Life Insurance Agency. If you have any questions, if you need a free quote, if you have a current policy that you maybe need reviewed to make sure that it's going to meet the needs of your family, feel free to inbox me. You can give me a call or visit my website at aljohnsongroup.com. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.